Here's something that will make you question everything you thought you knew about ancient ocean predators. Imagine a creature so adorable it could melt your heart, yet so vicious it could tear apart prey with razor-sharp precision. Scientists in Australia just dropped a bombshell that's reshaping our understanding of prehistoric marine life. They've unveiled a previously unknown whale species that terrorized ancient seas 26 million years ago. And honestly, the description will leave you scratching your head about nature's twisted sense of humor. The star of this paleontological thriller, meet Janjucetus dullardi, a pint-sized oceanic assassin that perfectly embodies the phrase, "Don't judge a book by its cover." This dolphin-sized hunter possessed enormous eyes that likely helped it spot unsuspecting victims, paired with a mouth bristling with knife-like teeth designed for one purpose: slicing through flesh with surgical precision. But here's where it gets controversial, and this is the part most marine biologists are still debating. Was this deceptively cute predator really as formidable as researchers claim? Or are we romanticizing yet another extinct species? The remarkable discovery unfolded when Ross Dullard, an ordinary beachcomber, stumbled upon what appeared to be just another interesting rock during his casual 2019 stroll along Victoria's stunning surf coast. Little did he know that his curious find would eventually earn him scientific immortality, with the species bearing his name forever in paleontological records. Museums Victoria's research team, led by scientist Rory Duncan, spent years meticulously reconstructing this ancient puzzle from an exceptionally well-preserved skull fossil. Their findings, published recently in the prestigious Zoological Journal of the Linnean Society, paint a picture of an evolutionary marvel that challenges conventional wisdom about early whale development. Picture this: a compact whale, sporting disproportionately large eyes and a mouthful of serrated teeth that could rival any shark, Duncan explained, barely containing his excitement about the discovery. Think of it as nature's version of a wolf in sheep's clothing. Compact, seemingly harmless, but absolutely lethal to anything unlucky enough to cross its path. What makes this find particularly fascinating, and slightly unsettling, is how it belongs to the mammalodontids, an ancient whale family that couldn't be more different from today's gentle, filter-feeding giants. These prehistoric relatives were essentially the ocean's equivalent of land-based apex predators, roaming the seas with predatory instincts that modern whales have completely abandoned. This marks only the fourth mammalodonted species ever identified by science, making it an incredibly rare addition to our understanding of whale evolution. Even more impressive, Victoria has now contributed 3 of these 4 discoveries, with previous finds dating back to 1939 and 2006, establishing the region as an unexpected hotspot for prehistoric whale research. Paleontologist Eric Fitzgerald, who co-authored the groundbreaking study, couldn't hide his enthusiasm about the implications. This fossil essentially provides us with a time machine, offering unprecedented insights into how ancient whales transformed their bodies and behaviors as they adapted to aquatic life, he noted. We're witnessing evolution in action, seeing how these creatures fine-tuned themselves for oceanic dominance. The discovery location itself tells a compelling geological story. Victoria's surf coast sits atop the Janjucetus Formation, a treasure trove of fossilized remains from the Oligocene epoch. That crucial period between 23 and 30 million years ago, when whales were undergoing dramatic evolutionary changes. This scenic coastline has become something of a paleontological goldmine, consistently yielding rare fossils that help scientists piece together the complex puzzle of early whale evolution. It's almost as if this particular stretch of beach served as an ancient whale nursery, preserving the stories of creatures that would otherwise be lost to time. This region functioned as an evolutionary laboratory for some of history's most bizarre and fascinating whales. Fitzgerald emphasized, we're barely scratching the surface of what these ancient ecosystems can teach us. And every new discovery brings unexpected revelations that force us to reconsider established theories. But here's what's really got the scientific community buzzing. And this might be the most controversial aspect of the entire discovery. Fitzgerald boldly declared that if these ancient predators were alive today, they would represent Australia as distinctively as kangaroos. That's quite a claim for a creature most people have never heard of, don't you think? The timing of this announcement is particularly intriguing, coming just 2 years after scientists in Peru announced the discovery of Janjucetus colossus, an ancient whale that might hold the title for the heaviest animal ever to exist. It seems like we're entering a golden age of whale paleontology, with new species reshaping our understanding faster than we can process the implications. This discovery raises some thought-provoking questions about our relationship with prehistoric life. Should we be celebrating amateur fossil hunters like Ross Dullard, whose accidental discoveries contribute more to science than some professional expeditions? Or does this highlight a concerning gap in systematic paleontological surveying that leaves crucial discoveries to pure chance? Moreover, in an era where living whale populations face unprecedented threats from climate change, pollution, and human interference, some critics argue that resources might be better spent on conservation rather than studying long-extinct species. Is our fascination with prehistoric predators distracting us from protecting the gentle giants that still grace our oceans today? What do you think? Are these ancient whale discoveries crucial for understanding evolution and ocean ecosystems? Or should we prioritize the urgent needs of modern marine life? Does learning about a 26-million-year-old predator really help us address today's environmental challenges? Or are we just indulging our curiosity while the planet's current biodiversity crisis demands immediate attention? Share your thoughts. This debate about scientific priorities deserves honest discussion from everyone who cares about our planet's future.